Yeah. So hi, hello everyone. Welcome to today's video. This is Shanmugaraj. Today's topic is program activities and integration management.
So, as we are aware, there are essentially five important performance domains being discussed as part of standards of program management. So, currently we are progressing with the final one, which is the program lifecycle management. So, other four areas, we already discussed. You can refer my previous videos, right? So, we'll be continuing with the lifecycle management one.
Program lifecycle management is a performance domain that manages program activities required to facilitate effective program definition, delivery, and closure. There are two important aspects in lifecycle management. One is the program lifecycle itself. We already covered in my previous videos. The other topic is program activities and integration management. So today we're going to start with that topic in this video. I would like to recollect there are three important life cycle phases in a program life cycle. They are program definition, where the program formulation and planning is happening, and then we have program delivery phase, and finally the program closure phase. So let us try to understand overview on program activities and integration management. Program activities and integration management is concerned with collectively utilizing the resources, knowledge, and skills available to effectively deploy multiple components throughout the program cycle. Right. So whatever activities related to collectively utilizing the resources, knowledge across the components, so all those things are collectively known as program activities and integration management. This particular process also involves decision makings regarding following areas like competing demands and priorities among components among programs, risks, interdependent risks of components, program risks, resource allocation, changes due to uncertainty and complexity of the program scope, interdependencies among the components we already discussed, coordination of work to meet the program objectives. So these many areas, this process also involved in decision makings. Let us try to get some more overview on program activities. What are program activities? All the work performed in a program for the purpose of overall program management is collectively known as program activities. It's a simple definition. They simply say all the work you perform in a program to achieve the program objectives as part of a program management is called program activities. These program activities are interdependent and complementary to each other across components. And we need to understand, even though the activities within the project or within a component may resemble to the activities of a program, but the context will differ, right? If you look at the program risk management, it will comprises of program risk as a whole and the component risks. But when it comes to project risk management, they will talk about only the component risk, right? So that's the context also different, the scope differs. To understand project level activities, we can refer PMBOK, but corresponding program activities similar to project activities, program activities encompass a greater number of inputs and typically broader scope. For example, if you take the project risk planning and program risk planning, the scope of project risk planning is within the component, within the project, right? But if you look at the program risk planning, you have to do that lot of interdependent risk of all components, how it affects each other, and overall program risk planning as well, right? So a lot of aspects to discover about it. So we need to appreciate and differentiate the activities within a project and activities, the scope of activities within the program is, the scale is differing and complexity is differing. So we need to understand how the activities in a program has more complexity and more, weightage compared to uh, project risks, or I mean project activities. Let us get some more idea on program integration management at high level. Program integration management is a core activity that occurs across the entire program lifecycle, right? It is covering your program formulation, program planning, program delivery, and program closure. Program integration management include activities, that need to identify, define, combine, unify, and coordinate multiple components into the program. There are numerous interactions with other program performance domains as well. If you look at lifecycle management, which we are going through now, it will have numerous interaction. This particular program integration management will have numerous interaction with, other performance domains, right? And program integration management focusing on, at least we're going to discuss these five critical activities. Those include program infrastructure development, program delivery management, program performance monitoring and controlling, benefit sustainment, and program closeout. So we will discuss about all these five activities in my subsequent videos, either in this week or next week. Yeah, so with that, we have come to the conclusion of today's video. Hope you got a reasonable idea on what are program activities and what is program integration management, what is the scope of program activities and integration management. We'll be seeing in detail in my subsequent videos on further topics on program integration management and program activities mapping. Hope you see you in my future videos. Hope you like this video. Let me know if you have any improvement ideas I would like to incorporate in this video. I'll happy to know about it. Thanks for your time. Take care. Bye bye.